the water stream. There's something important actually. Yeah, there's some plants from the family of holy basil, like this. They're not tulsi, they're from the same species. With a butterfly, they repels mosquitoes actually. Like too good, no? Like the water attracts mosquitoes, right? In this monsoon season. And these plants are just nearby to the water stream. And see? And the sabja seeds are from this only. We're going uphill. This is little difficult. See the plants? And the water stream. Yeah, this is good. We're going uphill like this with the stones. Wow. Very good morning to you all. Today is 28th of August, Wednesday. Have a wonderful Wednesday.